Today we are gonna make a sound reactive LED. For this project you are gonna need an Arduino UNO or Arduino Mega, and that will control everything. A sound module which has 3 terminals: VCC, ground and V audio. An LED that will react according to the sound that will come from the sound module. A breadboard, we will hook up everything on this board, and bunch of jumper wires. Mil to mil I will prefer. So first of all I will write the code for this project. It's simple and you can write it too. First of all, I have initialized the sound sensor and assigned a pin, digital pin of the Arduino 2, and initialize the LED and give it a pin 3. In a void setup I have defined a pin mode sound sensor for the sound sensor as an input, because all the input is coming from the sound sensor, and for the pin mode for the LED, set LED as output because it's gonna glow according to the sound. Moving on to the loop section, in a void loop you have to write initialize the status of the sensor, which is our sound module, equal to digital read sound sensor. Moving on to the if and else statement. In if you have to write status sensor equals to 1. Whenever it's receive a signal, what will it do? Digital write LED, set it to high state. This is the condition of whenever you receive a signal, it will set the LED to the high. Moving on to the else, here you have to type digital write LED low. When there is no signal, LED will not glow. Now connect the Arduino to your PC. And here I have made some mistake, LED.low. You have to put the comma. I will fix that later. Now open up the software called Freezing and fix the edit. Here in this software I will make a circuit diagram. Arduino Mega. I have bring up the Arduino Mega and find the sound module, also the LED. Bring up the breadboard if you want, or Vero board, pref board you want it. I decided not to use the breadboard, so I will make the circuit more simple for you. So let's zoom in and I will show you how I make all the connections. And here we have the sound module. Connect the VCC of the sound module to the 5 volt of the Arduino Mega or Arduino UNO, whichever you are using, and ground pin to the ground pin. Also color grade those wires so you can understand it easily. V out pin to the digital 2 pin of the Arduino, and LED has 2 terminals, anode and cathode. Be careful while making these connections. So connect the cathode terminal of the LED to the ground pin of the Arduino, and anode terminal to the digital 3 pin of the Arduino. So
escaping your arms. Baby, I'm yours. Baby, I'm yours. Love don't come easy at all. I miss you so much. I miss you so much. Tell me, is this freedom, baby? Chasing after danger, making my heart race. Whoa, maybe if the stars align, maybe if our worlds collide, maybe on the dark side we could be together, be together. Maybe in a million miles, on a highway through the skies, someday soon we'll be together. He was a dreamer at heart, chasing the stars, chasing the stars. Wings spread to the sun. I miss you so much. I miss you so much. Tell me, is this freedom, baby?